So here is Parodist app. Sometimes it's going viral, and it is actually a super fun app, but it is quite old already. So the whole idea around this that you have some famous characters, and you can just enter some text or some greeting card, or just prank your friends, and then you will receive the voice of this celebrity. So yeah, let's just hear some examples. Of course, there are so many ads.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road.
So yeah, something like that. There are some different songs. There are some recent. Then you can enter your text. So for example, if you want to enter your text, but then unfortunately, you will need to upgrade to Parodist Pro. But we'll touch on that later. But the whole thing about this is that you can create these voice cards. So some of them are free, but majority of them unfortunately require pro account. So here you can just see celebrities, but for example, you can see like some text, and then here in the bottom you can just change the name, of the person. And then, for example, this is so then you can just then you will need to wait to see the ad. Unfortunately, that's how it works in this app, because it's free, but honestly it's quite limited in the free version. So you will need to upgrade probably if you plan to use it extensively. Yeah, but it's actually not that cheap. But yeah, you can play with it for a month and then probably cancel or something like that. So for example, then you just see this joke, and then you
Hi,
can
dear
just
Andre. I hope you
hear
dedicate
it.
your life to the most important thing in the universe, science.
Then you can also save to your photos, or share on social media, or give some feedback. So yeah, also then you can create these video messages, which is pretty cool. So you can see this video messages with your text, with your congratulations to your friend or something like that, which is also pretty amazing. There is also like a Spanish version. So yeah, then there are some helpful sections. So there is also there is some validation in the text. Any other words do not pass our validation will not be voiced. In the video tab, you may find the videos where the characters voice the name you enter. Tap on the video, the form for entering the name will then appear. Moderation rules for videos are the same as for audios. You may enter only the real names. Any other words will be rejected. So something like that. And then there are some tips. So if the character places a stress in the name incorrectly, you may correct it and resubmit. Put the plus symbol before the vowel should be stressed. For example, Donald Sanders, Lauren D'Amelio. So that's something like that. Try to write with different letter combinations if you think that the stressing or pronunciation is incorrect. So you may also try to divide or unite the letters or syllables so that the name is voiced correctly. So that's what you can do here. And then so then there is your text. You can enter that. We want to protect real, so what text only Parodist may be voiced. Then again, you can just improve the voicing results. There are some games which you can try out. There are some different accounts. I don't see like how many celebrities you have here. In the free version you only have this, and you can for free you can just explore these ready phrases, and then you just have your text, then you just have voice cards, and then you just have games, and then there is your account. So yeah, if you want to upgrade to the pro version, you can easily do it here. Parodist Pro, 20 plus voices, 100 plus voice cards, so many other interesting templates, no ads, and then it's like $7.99 per week. So yeah, it's per week, not per month. So per month, yeah, it would be more than $30. So it's pretty expensive, but yeah, it's worth it just to try out and to explore how it works. Yeah, so super interesting app. Definitely give it a try. So yeah, that's basically the idea of it. Yeah, you just decide if you really want to upgrade or not. Like the other thing I don't understand, like, okay, so now I think I'm getting it. Like how to delete your account or how to create your account. I think there is no way to create or delete your account. You just open up the app and start using it. Then if you want to change the name, you just change it right here. So that's basically what you can do. So yeah, what else? Like, yeah, unfortunately there is no like much more to explore in the free version here. You will just need to upgrade in the app. So that's what it is at this moment. Yeah, this app is constantly being highlighted on TikTok, and it goes viral on TikTok, and then like a lot of users try to use it and explore it. I think it's pretty cool idea, especially with all these AI features you have now. Like you can then automatically generate this text, voices, audio, video, and just adding more and more AI to it, and just yeah, so have fun with it. So it's pretty interesting. So that's what it is. Hope you enjoyed this overview. You can just go to the App Store and search for this app. Here it is. There aren't that many reviews. Yeah, some people, the low reviews are probably because the free version of the app is actually, yeah, pretty limited. The voices are very realistic but very pricey. I feel like the first week you have the app downloaded, you get free pro, and then after having the offer, you can choose where you. So yeah, you can see that it's pretty limited still. So that's basically the idea. That's what it is. I think yeah, it's a personal like one developer app, so it's pretty amazing work. So yeah, definitely give it a try.